audio is okay. I've tried a simple little fix by using a little headphone extension cable that comes with the inline volume control, and simply put, you just plug it in line with your mic and turn the volume down a bit. Hopefully that helps with the loudness of the mic, the high gain of the mic, and the GoPro not being able to process the sound, and outputting lots of pops and crackles and that sort of thing. So this is a test run to see what it's like, and we'll review the footage after this ride. I think I need a new helmet. I feel like with this one I'm constantly frowning in the helmet. It's squashing my forehead and pushing my brow down, so I feel like I'm angry, even though I'm not. I probably look angry. Anyway, I'm not going for a long ride today, just a long loop around the area. And, just to test out this mic, if it works, if the solution works. Today was maybe not one of the best days for me to go for a ride. I'm feeling a bit tired. But I really wanted to test this mic situation out. Beginner rider shenanigans. I don't know, I'm just not feeling connected to the bike. It's like I'm stuffing up everything today. Maybe because I'm frowning. The helmet is making me frown. Yes, that's it. I should have taken the scenic route home. Why did I come this way? Could have gone up to Marincha Dam, gone that way. Sneak past here. Don't normally filter in traffic, but this dude is driving way slow. Anyway, I'm on my way home now, so on the inline volume control, I just turned the mic down slightly with my fingernail, just a few millimeters, not much. I haven't tested it out, so I'm going to hear it for the first time whether it works or not. Hopefully there are no more crackles and popples and cracking and popping, snapping. But yeah, I hope this works. And it was a cheap fix. It's just a 3.5mm audio jack, so a female to male, with the volume control in between, with a little dial. Lazy days, whether you're driving a bike or driving a car or riding a bike, you're tired and you're lazy and like a late Sunday afternoon. That's how I'm feeling today. It's like, I don't know why I got on the bike to ride.